Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix people nearby not loading on Telegram. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store, search for the Telegram and update your Telegram application. Once you done that, you need to go into the settings, go into the app management and app list and search for the Telegram. Click on that and here you can see different options. The first is storage and cache. Clear cache and then you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Telegram. Click on three bars on the top left and click on people nearby, and here you can see people nearby. Now it is sharing, so you need to wait for few seconds. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.